Hello everyone, my name is Ashish Ramesh and today I'm here to explain my experiment of C++ that is to make a circular queue using arrays, and this experiment is given by my university, so I'll be explaining this program. So let's get started. So here I have declared some of the variables, that is int, head, tail, and an array of size 10, that is q, and some of the basic directives I've used, that is hash include iostream, as you all know that the basics of the C++. So and here in this I have also declared a class that is q, and under this a public sector is also used so that we can retrieve these public things anywhere in the program. So we will be looking back to these things. First of all, let's look to the main function. So here in the integer data type I have declared some variables, that is choice and item, and in the character data type I have declared a variable that is ch, and in the integer data type I have declared a variable that is maxm. And I have given some cout and cin statements so that we can get the size of q, that is enter the size for the q, and cin so that we can enter the size for the q, and again the cout statement so that we can give the options to insert the data, to display the data, and to delete the data. So this will work for the options, that is one, get data, second, put data, and third, delete element. And then do while loop is there. Why we are using do while loop here? Because already we are working with the three cases, that is get data, put data, delete element, and these three cases will be helping us to execute this program and to insert the element and to delete the element and to show the element. So do while loop is there, because if you are not using the do while loop here, we can't perform these three functions simultaneously. So do while loop is important here, so that's why we have used. And under the do while loop we have again declared some cout and cin statement, that is enter your choice. In the enter your choice we have to enter whether we have to get data, whether we have to put data, whether we have to delete the element. So for this we have to enter 1, 2, or 3. So these choices are clear, and in the cin statement I have asked the this choice, and in the switch case I have used to give the different options to the users, that is case 1 cout item. It will display that which item you have to enter when you will choose the first option, that is get data, and for the second to display so for the displaying we have to choose the second option, that is put data, and for the third case for deleting the element we have to choose the third, that is delete element, and element deleted it will be showing on the screen. And for continuing the process I have given that a cout statement, that is continue, press small y or press capital Y. So you can use both the y's for this, and again the while loop has been completed and return 0 will be written there. And let's see the sum of the function, that is void display, delete q, and void get. So for showing whether the queue is full we will be using void get function, and under this we will be declaring some integer variables, that is int item, int m, max m, and if else statement also we will be declaring, that is if head equal to tail plus 1% max m, then the cout statement will be flashed on the screen, that is q is full, and else tail equal to tail plus 1% maxim, and q tail equal to item if head equal to -1, head equal to 0. So this kind of algorithm will be used to show whether the queue is full or not. And for again for showing whether the queue is empty or not, we have declared integer data type, that is delete q int maxim, and a temporary variable also declared under the integer data type, that is int temp, and then if head equal to -1 then flash q is empty, else if head equal to tail then this will be there, temp will be returned to the function, and again the else function will be used. So this will be used for to show the queue, whether the queue is empty or not. So let's see how the display function will be. Display function is a bit of complicated, that is if head if head is greater than tail, then this for loop will be working, that is int I equal to tail, I is less than maxim, and I plus plus. And again else if head is less than tail, then this for loop will be in function, and if again, and then the third case, and else case, that is the third else case, and then this folder will be in function. So it's a bit complicated function. I have already made a program in the data structures. You can see that program for more help. And so let's see how the program will be working. So this is my executing screen, and let's enter the size for the cube. First of all, we will be inserting some data. Item 2, press Y, again 1, 3, press Y, and again 1, item 3, press Y. And now we will be displaying this data, that is 2, 3, 3 for this option 2. So 2, 3, 3 is flashed on the screen. So do you want to continue? Press Y and press enter to delete the element. So element deleted 2. So this is how this program is working. So hopefully it helped a lot. I know it's a bit complicated program, and so you can also see the data structures thing, and if you want to suggest me more thing about this program, so better you can reply me on my comment section. So thank you and have a nice day.